but I couldn't think of what it was. It's like,
Yes, because I was bored.
Oh, this looks like it's.
I did like I just
It's not as dress. You did tell us. Why'd you go all the way in?
Because that chair looks weird.
You don't sit on the end of it.
Right here. Oh, weird.
Hi.
Apparently it's time to do this thing.
Woo!
Yeah, officially.
Okay, fine. I'll go get that video.
Yeah, look, we got We like that. I read Mrs. Nightingale together. We are birds of a feather. Tell me now when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my coat, but that's alright till I go home. She's handsome, she's pretty, she's Mel from Belfast City. She's Horton, 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Albert Mooney says he loves her. All boys are frightened for they rap at the door and they ring the bell, saying, "Oh my true love, are you well?" Out she comes as white as snow, things on her fingers and bells on her toes. Old Jenny Murphy says she'll die. She doesn't get the bell with the broken eye. Tell me, Mom, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my coat, but that's alright till I go home. She's handsome, she's pretty, she's Belle from Belfast City. She's Gordon, 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Let the wind and the rain and the hail go high and snow come tumbling from the sky. She's as sweet as apple pie. She'll get her own love by and by. When she gets a love of her own, she won't tell her when she goes home. Let them all come as they will, for it's Albert Mooney she loves still. Tell me, Mom, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my coat, but that's alright till I go home. She's handsome, she's pretty, she's Belle from Belfast City. She's Gordon, 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? She's handsome, she's pretty, she's Belle from Belfast City. She's Gordon, 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Okay, I get to pick my violin up for this one.
Yes.
Sing along if you know it. You will. You probably will. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, it down, oh blow, my bully boys blow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore, we found on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leaves and go. The boat had barely hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the watermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was free, but the captain's mind was not hungry. For he lived by the whaleman's creed, he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the whalemen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. The last I heard, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The whaleman makes its regular call to encourage captain, crew, and all. Soon may the whalemen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the whalemen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
scroll button. iPad is not technological.
There was a young maiden, she lived all alone. She lived all alone on the shore. Oh, there's nothing she could find to comfort her mind but to roam all alone on the shore. Always. Yes. Just do it. By the lonely prison wall, heard a young girl calling, Michael, they are taking you away. For they stole Trevelyan's sword, so the young might see the boy. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the soft rivers fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By a lonely prison wall, I've heard a young man calling. Nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the famine and the crown, I rebelled, they cut me down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. By a lonely prison wall, she watched the last star falling, as a prison ship sailed out against the sky. Church waited, hope and pray for her love in Botany Bay. But it's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. Now it's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. which is in fact the title of our CD, which we have here. If anybody wants, I'll break for the fingers. I am my mother's savage daughter, the one who runs barefoot, cursing sharp stones. I am my mother's savage daughter, I will not cut my hair, I will not lower my voice. My mother's child is a savage, she looks for her omens in the colors of stones, in the faces of cats, in the fall of feathers, in the dancing of fire and the curve of old bones. I am my mother's savage daughter, the one who runs barefoot, cursing sharp stones. I am my mother's savage daughter, I will not cut my hair, I will not lower my voice. My mother's child dances in darkness and sings heathen songs by the light of the moon, and watches the stars and renames the planets and dreams she can reach them with a song and a broom. I am my mother's savage daughter, the one who runs barefoot, cursing sharp stones. I am my mother's savage daughter, I will not cut my hair, I will not lower my voice. My mother's child curses too loud and too often, my mother's child laughs too hard and too long, and howls at the moon and sleeps in ditches and clumsily raises her voice in this song. I am my mother's savage daughter, the one who runs barefoot, cursing sharp stones. I am my mother's savage daughter, I will not cut my hair, I will not lower my voice. Now we are all brought forth out of darkness and water, brought into this world through blood and through pain, and deep in our bones the old songs are waking, so sing them with voices of thunder and rain. We are our mother's savage daughters, the ones who run barefoot, cursing sharp stones. We are our mother's savage daughters, we will not cut our hair, we will not lower our voice. We are our mother's savage daughters, the ones who run barefoot, cursing sharp stones. We are our mother's savage daughters, we will not cut our hair, we will not lower our voice.
Woo!
One we've never actually done before other people before.
Woo-woo!
There are a couple of those in this set. We wrote our set list a while ago, very ambitiously, and then didn't practice much. Nobody who's ever performed knows how that goes.
You ready for this? Maybe? I'm not. Let's do it anyway. Sure.
I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol and I then produced my radio, saying stand and deliver, for I am the oldest singer with the I called the radio, there's whiskey in the jar. Counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I took it to me Jenny. She sighed as she swore that she never would deceive me. The devil take the woman, for they never can be easy with the rock the radio, there's whiskey in the jar. I went up to my chamber and the golden jewels, and I sure was no wonder. But Jenny took me charges and she filled them up with water and sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter with the river. It's my pistol fortune stole away the rapier. I couldn't shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken with a ring. Whack for the laddie-o, whack for the laddie-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can help me, it's my brother in the army. I don't know where he's stationed, in Cape York or in Killarney. And if he'll go with me, they'll rope and root Kilkenny. I'm sure they'll treat me better than my darling Sport and Jenny with the ring. Whack for the laddie-o, whack for the laddie-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Now some like delight in the curling and the bowling, others take delight in the carriages a-rolling. I take delight in the juice of the wine. You don't, because you're too young. When the carriage, also too young for, by the way. On morning, bright and early, with the ring-a-ding-a-dong. Whack for the laddie-o, whack for the laddie-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Fine, I'll allow it. It's too late now. It's too late for a lot of things now, and yet here we are. Now.
You ready for this one? Maybe?
Another one that's a newbie for us. We've done it a couple of times. But that's okay. We're having fun, and that's the important part. It's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. Well, a process man am I, and I'm telling you no lie. I work and breathe among the fumes that trail across the sky. There's thunder all around me, and there's poison in the air. There's a lousy smell that smacks of hell, and dust all in the air. And it's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. Well, I've worked among the spinners, and I breathe the oily smoke. I've shuttled up the gypsum, and at night I'll make a show. I've stood deep inside, and I got sick with a caustic burn. Been working rough, I've seen enough to make your stomach turn. And it's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. Well, there's overtime and bonus opportunities galore. The young men like their money, and they all come back for more. But soon you're knocking on, and you look older than you should. For every bob made on the job, you pay with flesh and blood. And it's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. Well, a process man am I, and I'm telling you no lie. I work and breathe among the fumes that trail across the sky. There's thunder all around me, and there's poison in the air. There's a lousy smell that smacks of hell, and dust all in the air. And it's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go.
Still counts.
Take
our wins where we
That one
find
was
them.
one of my favorites.
Thank you so much. Another one I've never done. Okay. Yeah, because I played that one last night and it didn't go well, so we're not doing that one. This one I'm really good at. This one I don't have to play for. This is this one's yours. Go for it. Want me to start the thingy? Yeah. You start. I'll start thinking when you start.
Teamwork.
And Jose was lost at sea along with the Spanish company. The powder caught under fierce attack. The king never got his emeralds back. They're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. The Royal Charter in Dulles Bay, 1 of 200 lost that day. Miners' pockets filled with gold dragged them down to the ocean cold. They're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. They're down, drowned in the depths below, where the sun don't shine and the winds don't blow, and the timbers crack and the mainstay fails. We'll all find peace right within our sails. Mary Celeste was found alone. The fate of her crew is still unknown. Murder, fraud, or acts bizarre, no one can say, but chances are they're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. Hail the revenge for the bravery, tried to escape, fighting 53. The surrender of the last 16 crew couldn't save a boat from the briny blue. They're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. They're down, drowned in the depths below, where the sun don't shine and the winds don't blow, and the timbers crack and the mainstay fails. We'll all find peace wrapped within our sails. Pity the crew of Hermione suffered a cursed mutiny. The vicious captain caused the brawl. Mutineers and victims all, they're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. General Slocum's wheels of wood, heart ablaze like they never should. Floats of cork filled with weights instead sent families off to the riverbed. They're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. They're down, drowned in the depths below, where the sun don't shine and the winds don't blow, and the timbers crack and the mainstay fails. We'll all find peace wrapped in our sails. All my friends are dead and gone, I'll join them soon, it won't be long. Whether lost at sea or far ashore, to the ocean return forevermore. We're down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. Down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found. Down, down and drowned, down and drowned and never found.
Knocks the wind right out of you, doesn't
You sang that one all last season at Fest. It doesn't matter though, I still wasn't ready. Just because I know how to sing it doesn't mean I'm ready for it.
To be fair, I don't think I've ever been ready for anything ever in my life, so that's why I should start now.
See, I'm just being like you.
I'm sorry.
Apology not accepted.
I made that.
Yes, you're the one who made me this way.
All by yourself.
He's in my phone as mini me. You can see why.
They're obvious.
Wait, but you're the mini you.
Say again?
You're the mini you.
Hey now. He's taller than me now. Does not make me the miniature. I'm mini. I feel ganged up on. Lady by the North Sea shore, lay the hand head up on a room, daughters with them she bore. La 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 la. One was bright as is the sun, walk with me. Lay the pen, take the bunny room, to see the ships sail upon the sea. La 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 la. And as they stood on that windy shore, lay the pen, take the bunny room, the elder sister, whose younger whore. La 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 la. Sometimes she sank, or sometimes she swam. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, cried sister, reach me your hand. La 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 la. And there she floated just like a swan. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, the salt sea and her body on. La 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 la. Two minstrels walking by the North Sea strand. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, they saw the maid and it out to land. La 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 la. They made a harp out of her breastbone. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, the sound of which would melt a heart of stone. La 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 la. They took 3 locks of her yellow hair. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, and with them some harp so rare. La 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 la. The first drink that those minstrels tried. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, and terrors loved her bride. La 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 la. The second string played a doleful sound. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, the younger sister, oh she is drowned. La 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 la. The third string played beneath their bow. Lay the pen, take the bunny broom, and surely now her tears will flow. La 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 la. I think that version is missing the verse that we usually do. It's really long anyway. We sing this out at Renaissance Festival, and you know, in some of the places we play, people don't have that long an attention span. So we have to figure out how many verses are we actually going to sing, and which ones are we going to leave out. So today you got the whole song, minus a kind of captive audience, sort of. You're like sitting down, and you know, it's easier to just stay sitting than it is to get up and walk out. So, and now it's time for the violin. I need to pick up this one.
Good thing you have one.
Good thing, yeah, because
That was like
it would be really awkward if I were playing in one key and you were playing in a different key. I would just, you know. Within the fire and down across the sea, crazy man Michael was walking. He met with a raven with eyes dark as coal, and shortly they fell talking. Your future, I will tell to you. Your future, you oftentimes have asked me. For your true love will die by your own right hand, and crazy man Michael will cursed be. Michael be ratted, and Michael be raped, and be struck heart of. The bird fluttered long, and the sky did spin, and the cold earth did wonder and startle. But there is the raven that I struck down dead, that here did lie on the ground low. For I see but my true love with a wound so red, while her lover's heart it did pound. Oh, praising the Bible he wanders alone, and he talks to the night and the day. Oh, but his eyes they are staring, and his speech it is plain, and he longs to be far, far away. Oh, Michael he whistles the simplest of tunes, and he asks the wild wolves for their pardon. For his true love has flown into every flower grown, and he must be keeper of the garden. And now the violin goes all the way for the rest of the play, the show. We have just one more song for you. And
Hey, you have no one to blame but yourself. That's all you. No, that's all her. That is
that's
not-
all me?
that's-
Yeah, well, it is, yeah. I mean, I am a walking musical. We burst into song for any and all reasons, and sometimes for no reason at all. Because why not? Again. On rides a captain and 300 soldier lads, out of the morning mist and through the silent snow. Whistling gaily rides the captain at their head, behind him soldier boys sadly weeping go. For when I took my gold and swore to follow me, you sold away your lives and your liberty. No more you'll till the soil, no more you'll work the land, no more to dance you'll go and take girls by the hand. Oh, mothers weep for your sons, they have gone to kill and die. You'll weep, you'll die by the keen edge of the sword, all alone by the muddy Danube shore. They gave the order for the drummers to beat their drums, that mothers all might know the life a soldier lives. Unfurl your ragged banners and raise your pale young face. You'll all go in the fire, there'll be no hiding place. Oh, mother, hear the drum beat in the village square. Oh, mother, that drum's for me to go for soldier there. Mothers, sisters, wives, weep for us, marked as Cain, we die alone. Thank you very much. We have been Birds of a Feather. Birds of a Feather, only elsewhere. Happy disappear. See you in the future.